Bam. Yes, sir. This is original tri-tip sandwiches featuring the Strathmore cheesesteak, all by Miquel Guajardo. We're actually out here at the California Antique Farm Equipment Show. We were able to get a spot. Let's go check out the man himself. So what do we got going today? I mean, there's nothing right now, but explain it to a little bit.
Strathmore cheesesteak sandwiches and tri-tip sandwiches.
All right, he just pulled them off the grill. I'll go ahead and show you that in a few seconds, but the flame is blazing. This is where we get to toast the buns and stuff. That is a fresh cheesesteak sandwich. Melt the cheese in there, call it a salamander. See if there's anything in here. Ooh! That's the meat getting ready to get thrown on the grill right there. Now we'll step inside the little area. That is the meat we found. It. Say hi, workers.
Hi, workers. Hello.
And that's all we got going today. The original tri-tip sandwich at the California Antique Farm Equipment Show.